The single leg touchdown squat primarily targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings while also improving balance and stability. This is an excellent pistol squat progression exercise for beginners. Here's how to do it correctly. Set a weight plate on the floor. Place one foot in the middle of the top of the weight plate with your other leg on the floor. Start with your chest up and back straight, then balance on one foot by raising your foot off the floor, foot flexed. This is the starting position. To begin the squat, hinge at the hips while bringing your chest and arms forward. Continue to push your hips back as you bend the knee on the planted foot. Under control, slowly squat down, keeping your knee aligned over your toes until your free foot taps the floor. Treat the floor as if it's made of glass. Simply tap it rather than stepping down on it and breaking it. Think touchdown, not step down. Press your planted foot through the weight plate to stand back up. Start with one weight plate, then once your mobility and stability improves, progress the touchdown squat by increasing the elevation by balancing on 3 to 5 weight plates or up to at least 12 inches. Repeat all the reps with one leg, then switch legs and repeat. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.